Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Oh, just in case you didn't know, we use a metal cutting blade, a long one, to cut the pipe. If you try to use a wood cutting blade, it will the pipe and tear it up. So we use a lot of metal cutting blades, and usually long so we can flexible cut things. So I just wanted you to know, don't cut this water line.
Not the best for cutting wood, but it can still cut wood.
It does cut wood. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.